Greetings, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tim. I'm here at my repair shop, Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska. I got a quick tip for you here. Going to be a common problem. Many of you are showing up here complaining of a misfire symptom, a jerking or rough running condition. May or may not be associated with check engine light codes on some of these Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep products. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. Hey again, welcome back. I'm Tim, and I've got this 2014 Compass over here. It's got the 2.4 bad boy engine in it, and customer complaint was a jerking condition under light acceleration, and indeed during a test drive that's what I felt, mostly under light acceleration in this case, but you could be here having an issue where under heavy acceleration there's a very prominent misfire issue. You may have a flashing check engine light. That brought you here. A couple things to note quickly. What is the mileage? If you're over 60,000 miles and have not replaced the spark plugs in this rig, it's definitely the first place to look. Common models equipped with this engine configuration are Chrysler Sebring, Dodge Avenger and Caliber, Journey, the Jeep Compass and Patriot, and the ProMaster van. In this case, the spark plugs are accessed under this small engine cover and below each individual coil. There's 4 of them there, and I've got them removed here. These spark plugs, the original equipment plugs, and what I suggest reinstalling in them, because I like to stick with OE, they're just a copper plug. They're not platinum, they're not a precious metal. So the electrodes wear. Here we go. We can see a side-by-side comparison from old to new OE plugs here. We got a significant amount of gap in that plug. That's your first indicator that this is a problem. It is a little bit puzzling that a manufacturer would install a standard copper spark plug in a coilover plug ignition system vehicle. They do recommend replacement at a 30,000 mile interval, so that's why we're here. We're at 70,000 and got this pretty prominent misfire, but you know, a standard platinum type spark plug, you can get up to 100,000 miles easy between service maintenance replacement. So in this case, there was not a check engine light or stored code related to a misfire, but as part of the diagnostic work, I did go ahead and pull the mode 6 data and look at the misfire values for each individual cylinder. Cylinder 1 here was the worst, and you can see a value of 21 there. Not enough to trigger a check engine light response at this point. As it got worse, it would have, but this customer noticed there was an obvious problem and wanted to do any maintenance that was necessary. You do have the option when servicing these spark plugs to replace just the little coil boot on the end of the coil here. I don't find it necessary at lower mileage vehicles or where you don't have an actual coil failure to do that particular part of the repair. Recommend in this case that you just do maintenance by replacing the spark plugs and then road testing the vehicle, make sure your misfire is cured. All right, well, I'm going to make this video pretty short and sweet here. As I said, the symptom is fairly simplistic, and the takeaway here is you want to definitely replace your spark plugs at 30,000 mile intervals on these vehicles. And I would definitely recommend using only the OE plug. Aftermarket plugs on these Chrysler, Dodge, Jeeps can generate strange coil codes or misfire issues that you don't want to deal with. So just replace them at 30,000 mile intervals. They're super cheap, $3 a pop, and always go with the NGK that was originally equipped on this rig. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.